Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video we're just going to do some great stretches. This is great for women over 50 obviously, and also beginners and seniors. So nice gentle stretches. So first of all, let's just roll our shoulders back a few times in a backwards motion, just loosening everything up. Now you can actually place your hand onto your tummy and just gently breathe in for 3 as well, and hold that core, that engagement, whilst we're doing these exercises. And then just do some gentle twisting. Right, so with my feet placed firmly on the ground, so toes spread out because I'm not wearing any trainers. If you're wearing trainers, that's fine too. But if you're not, you want to spread your toes out so you've got lots of surface area on the floor. And then we're just going to gently bend down with our knee and then just come up all the way to the top and back down again. And you can just give it a little gentle, and you can just gently come down with your knee if you like. So coming up and down, remembering to hold that core, that engagement in. And this is just a really lovely gentle flow. We'll do this 8 times in total, so just let's do another 3. Again, holding in the core. 1 and last one. Up and come down. So now with our hands in this position, so halfway, just want to push out with our hands. We're going to come in and out with our arms, pushing away. Let's do this 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold and release and come down. Again, you can work those shoulders a little bit more and the arms. So again, let's work on the arm area. So placing my hands together and interlocking them and pulling them away like so. So let's just push away. Nice gentle stretch on the fingers here. And come up with them still interlocking. Lovely gentle stretch. Try to reach up. Head nice and straight, looking forward. Stomach and tummy engaged. And again, gently come down and back down again. So let's stretch a little bit on the waist here, a little bit of a twist. So I'm just going to place one hand onto my hip and remembering to hold that core in, breathing out and just gently twist to the side, a little stretch here. You don't want to go too far. And then again on the other side, breathing out. Just gently look to the side and then gently come back. Now placing our feet together, one hand to the side, we're just going to take our other arm and give a nice little gentle stretch to the side, just a little bit over. You don't want to be knocking out your hips, you want to be nice and straight. Again, a great gentle stretch here on the obliques. And come back down. Let's do this on the other side. Come back. We do this 8 times on each side. Come back. That's 2. Again, holding in the core. For 3. Also stretching up with the arms. Coming back. 4. Remembering to breathe. And 5. Doing really well. Lovely stretch all the way along. Go back. And we just need to do 2 more times on each side. Great stretch of the side here. Again, not overdoing. And back again. So let's stretch out the legs a little bit here. So I'm just coming across a little bit, coming outwards, and just gently bending with one leg. Now you don't want your knees to go over your toes, so just a nice stretch of the inner thigh here. And if you can keep straight as well, you don't want to be hunching over and pressing down on the knee. Remembering to hold that core, that engagement, stretching the inner thigh. Let's just hold this for a moment, and then gently come back up, turn the other foot, and then just come across to the side, just gently stretching again the inner thigh. And very gently come back up. And then coming forward with one foot and coming back on the other foot. So you can actually feel a stretch on the calf. Again, if you don't, just come forward and tilt slightly forward. And come back up, and let's do the other side. So first of all, feet together, and then you want to come forward with one leg, back on the other, and just gently come forward. So you're stretching nice and straight the leg at the back. And you should feel it on your calf. Come back up. Now, placing our legs quite far apart, you want to lift your arms up and then come down, if you can, and touch the floor with your hands. If not, just touch your leg and go as far down as you can with a nice flat back. And holding the stretch. And then just come to the side and just place your hand onto your leg. Again, remembering to hold the core in. Come back down into the middle, and then to the other side of the other leg. Come back down, and then just gently come up, stretching the arms, and then come back down. And then just very gently move your legs. So now let's just do a little stretch on the thighs. You may want to hold on to something for this. So if you've got a chair or something, you can place your hand onto a shelf, take one leg and hold. And you want to make sure that your thigh is in the same alignment as your leg. So if I place it forward here, you can see. So if I come forward, again, the knee is together, it's not splayed out, nice and straight, holding in that core, that engagement, and you should feel really nice stretch on the thigh here. And release, and let's do the other leg. Again, placing your hand onto your foot and just standing nice and straight. If you find this difficult, you can hold on to a chair or hold on to a side or something. But again, making sure that you're nice and straight and both of them are at the same level, both legs. Remembering to hold that core and engagement and gently release. So now let's do a little bit of a toe stretch now. So I'm lifting up on my foot and back down again, spreading out the toes. Coming up and down. And let's just do this another 4 times. If you can't do this and you find this difficult, you can come up on one leg, come up on the other, and come back down. Whatever works best for you. And let's just do this another couple of times here. And then we're going to now finish off with a little bit more on the shoulders and the arms. So we're placing our arm and we're just going to place it onto our shoulder here and come far back as we can. A nice stretch here. And come down and release. Hand on the shoulder. Take your other arm and try to go as far back as you can whilst keeping your head nice and straight. And come down. and then placing the hands onto the hips. You just want to slowly take your shoulders and pull them back, and if you can, just look a tiny little bit up. A lovely stretch for the shoulders. And release, and finishing off now again as we started with some shoulder rolls in a backwards motion, and then forwards. And then I always like to finish off the last couple backwards, so we're then resetting our shoulders. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and also thumbs up really helps with the algorithm. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.